Good evening, friends. My name is Monica Agnihotri. Today I am sharing my reflection of LTS 1 with all of you. So, like many other members, my journey also started with Prachi from free evening sessions, and I got very inspired with the way she has taken up this goal of life of empowering lives. So I got very inspired with her teachings, with the way she teaches, and this idea of empowering others' life, making others happy, making their dreams come true. So I really got very inspired, and her evening sessions were like taking a boost of positivity and hope. And I would wait for the evening sessions every day. So then came time for morning sessions, these LTS Life Transformation Series. Initially, I was little confused that should I enroll it or not, because I am not a morning person. How much I try, I wanted to get up, but I was not able to get up at 5:30. So I thought कि मुझे करना चाहिए या नहीं. I was confused. Then I checked with my batchmate Nitika, and she said, "Please do it. It's a wonderful thing. You can do manifestation, affirmations, and meditation with Prachi, and it's a very nice thing. You must try." So then I didn't give it another thought, and I just go ahead for it. And I was really very happy after joining this 3 months course, and which has actually given me lots of learning in my life. So today I am sharing my 5 most important learnings, and I'll be imbibing them in my rest of the life. And there are immense learnings, but because shortage of time, I have kept written my 5 learnings, and with these 5 learnings I have added my experiences also. First is attitude of gratitude. Thank you, Prachi, for a wonderful magic book that you have given us as a gift. And this attitude of gratitude for each and everything, for each and everybody, for each and every situation has given me so many learnings, has taught me so much, has taught me to be grateful for each and everything. So recently what happened was that my brother-in-law and my husband, they both got COVID in the month of April. And by God's grace, and I got protected. I'm very happy. My brother-in-law asked me कि आप कैसे ठीक रहे, आप कुछ नहीं हुआ, आप कैसे ठीक हो, because I used to take care of them. I had to give them medicines and food, and I was the one who was going from in both the rooms and taking care of them. But still I was perfectly all right. Then I told him, देखो एक बात तो ये है कि you have invited this thing in your life, and I never did. मैंने कभी बोला नहीं था कि ये होगा वो होगा. एंड ही वाज द वन हु हैज़ ऑल द डेटा ऑफ कोविड, कैसे होता है, कब ठीक होता है, कितने केसेस आए एंड ऑल. I don't like to talk about it, because even from last year also I don't like to discuss about it, and he was the one who had all the information. And second is that I feel that I did not have this discussion with him. I could not have. But the second thing which I feel which protected me was the gratitude. The gratitude, because for last 4-5 months I have been continuously writing that I am in good health, I have strong immunity, and every day I am writing in this thing in my gratitude diary, and these are becoming affirmations. And because I have gratitude for it, and they are expanding. So how beautiful and how magical this world is. Thank you, Prachi, for giving us this magical book. Thank you very much. The second point is create enhancing beliefs. As Prachi always says, don't have limiting beliefs. इतना नहीं सोचना. You are from magic world. Think big. Whatever you want, think about it and attach your feelings, and you will get it. So we have this business of kurtis manufacturing, and last year when the lockdown happened, I thought कि अब तो बंद है सब कुछ, कोई सेल नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. But this year when the lockdown happened, I never thought कि सेल नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. I thought that इतना पॉपुलेशन है इंडिया का, कुछ ना कोई तो लेगा ही लेगा हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट इवन माई हस्बैंड वॉज नॉट वेल. होल अप्रैल ही वॉज अनवेल, बट स्टिल we got orders every day, and we both were able to dispatch them because no staff, nothing. And luckily we have our store at our home only, so we keep the products there. And we were able to. He was not well, but he did his level best, and he didn't allow me to enter into that area because he was quarantined into that place. So but that time also we got orders. So ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ नहीं हो सकता. अब जो भी चाहे वो सब हो सकता है. थैंक यू प्राची, ये बताने के लिए, ये सिखाने के लिए. थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग मी this power of having unlimited beliefs in my life. Thank you. Third is heal your body. So I have combined heal my body with Luke Cortino's natural remedies, because I feel that positive affirmations, giving positive affirmations to my body is important, and parallelly it's very important to take any allopathic medicine or something. So I have this at times I get very severe and very bad headache and my head starts spinning. So so when this happened to me last 2-3 months back, that time, and every time whenever in past this type of headache happens, I had to have this Disprin. But this time when the headache happens, I did not have Disprin. I started healing my body. I said, I'm fine, I'm perfectly fine, I'm fine without medicines. And then I had this warm water with lemon, which I took this note from Luke's book, and I'm very happy to share that after half an hour I felt better. So they think for every time whenever I have, like in 1 year I have generally 3-4 times this kind of headache, and every time I tell my body to medicine, Disprin lena padega, Disprin lena padega. This time I never said that Disprin lena padega, and believe you me, I didn't have Disprin. I was really feeling very happy. And after that, no logic in the world of magic. Whatever you want, whatever you believe is possible. Please, please, please do believe in your beliefs.